friends, it's Yana here today, and on our last video I showed you all the releases from Ellie and Mac from 2004 that I sewed up, and today I'm going to tell you which ones were my favorite and why. Alright, I'm gonna try to narrow it down to 5 patterns, but y'all, it's really hard because these were all so cute. And if you have not seen that video where I show you all the different patterns, make sure you go check it out. Alright, we're gonna start with a top. Actually, I've got a couple tops, but we're gonna start with one that I loved and I sewed up in so many different versions. This is the Bridget Dolman. Why do I love the Bridget Dolman? Well, it's a simple sew, but not only is it a simple sew, but it can be created in so many different ways. The color blocking option of it, I love the fact that you can color block it. So I can use all these fun projects and scraps that I have with the different fabrics to create a beautiful, unique look every single time. And there's also a solid option, which I've made a couple solids. So that's also a selling point of it, because I love a good solid top as well. But this is probably one of my favorite patterns. Do I tell you about my second favorite top pattern, or do I go to a different type of pattern? Okay, let me give you my favorite swim pattern. Alright, so this is the Candy swim dress, which I think you all probably already know is my favorite. I just love the way it fits. I love that it's so easy to put on and you can just are ready to go to the beach, or you can just walk around the shops in it and you don't feel like you're underdressed or anything because it's a little dress already. I think it's so cute. I love it for running around with my family, you know, water park or anything like that. It's adorable. I love the little skirt and I love the fact that it can be hacked into different things. I hacked it into just being the bodice. I hacked the skirt on its own. I've hacked the skirt to have shorts underneath so I could wear it like a tennis dress. I just love it. I think it's so cute. It's one of my favorites. All right, now I'm going to show you one of my favorite dresses of this year, and that is the Marita garden party dress. This, I just love it. I'm just obsessed with this pattern. I love the little ruffle here at the front. I love the gathered waist because it cinches it in. Even though you have this ruffle here, the gathered waist cinches it in a little bit here, so it makes it look so nice. I just love it. I love that it has different lengths. It's so easy to wear. You just throw it on and out the door. And I love the fact that it's a woven pattern because I get to use some of my fun woven prints. Alright, my next pattern is the Daphne Dolman top. I just love how this one fits. I love this peplum style here and the little faux buttons. I love the different necklines and the flutter sleeve. I think they are adorable. I've made different versions of it. I love the gathered waist here. Maybe that's a trend for me. I do like the gathered waist with the little flutter at the bottom. I think it's adorable. I think it fits so nicely and I just love it. Now, I'm pretty sure that was 4 patterns, so that means I only have one more pattern to go, and I'm already thinking, oh no, I made a mistake. There's other patterns I love. Okay, I'm going to give you an outside the box pattern, and I'm going to tell you it is the laptop bag. Okay. Reason being, there's a couple of reasons for that. I use my laptop all the time, and being able to have something to carry it around in that I made myself has been so cool. You know, telling people I made my laptop bag, and it is adorable. I just love it, and it fits my bag, my laptop perfectly, and I can cart it with me everywhere I go. So I use it almost daily, and that's one of the reasons why it's one of my top 5 favorite patterns of 2024 from Ellie and Mac. I just love it. So nice. Now, I have to give another pattern credit because it slid in right towards the end and it won my heart, and I was not sure that I was going to love it. Okay, let me say, the reasons why I wasn't sure I wasn't going to love it is not because it doesn't have great potential or it's not a beautiful pattern, it's because of preference. You probably all know, because you see my makes and stuff, that I actually really love oversized clothing. I always wear it. Oversized tee is like probably my top favorite pattern ever. I love loose fitting, oversized, comfortable wear. So when I saw the Felicity top, I said, not for me. Do I love the sleeves? Yes, I love the sleeves. Do I love the neckline? Yes, I love the neckline. Do I like the fact that it's fitted? No, I'm not gonna like that top. That's exactly what I thought. That is too fitted for me. It is not the one. And then I made it. And I ate all my words because it is so nice. I love how it fits. It's perfect for those fitted jeans or the skirt with a jasmine skirt. It pairs so nicely. I really ended up loving it when I thought I wasn't going to. So that to say, make sure you're trying out patterns to figure out what is your personal style. Sometimes it's hard to figure out what you want to wear, what you like, what you don't like. So you just want to try all the different patterns and try them out in different ways. And the fact that Ellie and Mac has such nice, reasonable pricing, it's so easy to try different patterns. Now, comment below and let me know what you think about my top 5 favorite patterns. Are those your favorites or do you have different favorites? And if you have not watched the video with all the different patterns that are released this year, go watch it and then come back and let me know which ones are your top 5s. Which ones would you pick for your top 5s? All right, I hope that you've enjoyed this quick little, not tutorial. This was not a tutorial. This was just a fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribe if you haven't so you never miss any of our tutorials or our videos. Remember to check out all the tutorials for the Ellie and Mac patterns. We offer a tutorial for every pattern, so if you're scared, even that laptop bag, if you're scared, you don't have to be. You can sew it along with us. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all next time.